Drum filling machine is an intelligent packaging system designed for the packaging of 200L barrels and 1000L ton barrels of liquids in explosion-proof environments. It is used for the packaging of 200L barrels and 1000L ton barrels, including pallets. It is often used to store and transport liquids or bulk materials, such as chemicals, lubricants, coatings, food raw materials, etc. The main function of the ton barrel filling machine is to extract liquids or bulk materials from storage containers or tanks. Using visual port finding, it can realize the automatic opening, automatic diving, automatic fast and slow filling, automatic leakage detection, automatic sealing of threaded caps and other process automation packaging of 200L barrels and 1000L ton barrels. The filling host part adopts an environmentally friendly outer frame, a visual window, and an automatic lifting and sliding door for entering and exiting the barrel, which can form a closed space during filling. The electrical control part of this machine is composed of a PLC programmable controller, a weighing module, a visual system, etc., with strong control capabilities and a high degree of automation. The PLC is equipped with an Ethernet communication interface, which can communicate with the owner's system. This machine has the functions of not filling without a barrel, not filling if the barrel mouth is not aligned, etc., which avoids the waste and pollution of materials and makes the mechatronics of the machine well demonstrated. The working principle of weighing is used to control the filling volume. During filling, the programmable controller PLC controls the opening time of the filling valve, and the material flows into the container to be filled by itself or is fed by the pump. The filling part of this machine realizes the